Imagine this. You're stuck in a job you hate, barely making ends meet, and the thought of saving for your dream life feels impossible. Sound familiar? Well, what if I told you there's a way to make an extra $1,000 every month without needing any special skills or quitting your day job? That's right. Whether you're in the USA or the UK, there are side hustles you can start today that don't require a degree, years of experience, or even a fancy resume. By the end of this video, you'll discover 5 proven side hustles that can put $1,000 extra in your pocket every single month. Stick around because your financial freedom starts right here, right now. Side Hustle 1. Online surveys and microtasks. Let's start with something so easy, you can do it while binge-watching Netflix. Online surveys and microtasks. Companies like Swagbucks, Amazon Mechanical Turk, and Prolific pay you for your opinions or simple tasks like data entry or image tagging. Now, I know what you're thinking. Does this actually work? Absolutely. While you won't get rich, you can easily make $100 to $300 a month by spending just an hour a day. And the best part? You don't need any skills, just an internet connection and a little patience. But if you're looking for something a bit more exciting, don't worry. The next side hustle is where things get fun. Side Hustle 2. Print on demand. Ever seen those funny t-shirts or mugs with quirky quotes? That's print on demand, and it's a goldmine for side hustlers. Platforms like Printful and Teespring let you design products, and they handle the printing, shipping, and customer service. Here's the kicker. You don't need to be a designer. Use free tools like Canva to create simple designs, and let the platforms do the heavy lifting. With a bit of marketing, think TikTok or Instagram, you can easily make $500, $1,000 a month. But wait, there's more. If you're not into designing, the next hustle is perfect for you. Side Hustle 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is like getting paid to recommend your favorite products. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank, and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Here's the secret sauce. You don't need a website or a huge following. Just share your affiliate links on social media, YouTube, or even in conversations with friends. For example, if you're into fitness, recommend workout gear and earn a cut. With consistent effort, $1,000 a month is totally achievable. Now, if you're thinking, but I'm not a salesperson, don't worry. The next hustle is all about using what you already have. Side Hustle 4. Rent out your stuff. Did you know you can make money by renting out things you already own? Platforms like Turo let you rent out your car, Fat Llama for cameras or tech gear, and even Airbnb for extra space in your home. Here's the best part. You don't need to own a Ferrari or a mansion. Even a spare room or an old camera can bring in $200, $500 a month. And if you're worried about wear and tear, don't be. These platforms offer insurance to protect your stuff. But if you're looking for something completely hands-off, the final hustle is for you. Side Hustle 5. Invest in Dividend stocks. Now, this one's a bit different. Instead of trading your time for money, you're letting your money work for you. Dividend stocks pay you just for owning them. Think of it as getting paid to do nothing. Start with platforms like Robinhood or eToro and invest in companies with a history of paying dividends, like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson. With just $5,000 invested, you can make $50 to $100 a month in passive income. And as you reinvest those dividends, your earnings grow over time. But here's the thing. While this hustle is hands-off, it does require some upfront cash. So, if you're starting from zero, focus on the first 4 hustles first. Look, I know starting a side hustle can feel overwhelming, but here's the truth. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Whether it's taking surveys, designing t-shirts, or renting out your car, every dollar you earn brings you closer to financial freedom. And if you're ready to take the next step, I've got something for you. Check out my video, Why is the US Economy Collapsing?, where I break down the economic crisis and how you can protect your money. Click the link on the screen or in the description to watch it now. Remember, the road to $1,000 a month starts with a single step. Take action today, and you'll thank yourself tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.